Cuisinart Toaster Oven Air Fryer Review. The superb Best Air Fryer, 2022, Milkwood. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You'll be able to bake, broil, and toast, among other things, in addition to making crispy, beige-colored food. It's the healthier way to fry foods because it uses far less oil than a traditional deep fryer. You're actually baking your ingredients. Cuisinart's air fryer is also large enough to handle small pizzas, chicken, and other items, which is unusual among air fryers. The 1800-watt appliance has an oven rack, baking pan, and fry basket, as well as simple knob controls, an adjustable temperature, a non-stick interior, and an oven rack, baking pan, and fry basket. The oven has enough capacity for a modest family.